Okay, let's fake really got it. Let's see if my friend toys or never touch the grass are online. I mean, not now. You too. Okay. Oh my god, he has a computer. Happy kid. My friend's not on. Oh, he looks cool. Law. Law is online. Law. Lonika Alalambu. Oh, my friend. I'll call both of them my friend. Bruh. Wait, just a regular raccoon have to get... Oh, that's the grand tomato. I know how to cook. I need yummy fruit. Oh my god, this take an hour. Oh, I did enjoy my friend. Okay, they're showing some. I saw someone. Oh, yes, I'm good. Oh, he has a sick. I think that's a carrot seed. Just start from the end. Look at my mantis guys. But I have to leave the game and join back. Yes, my screen is dying. Let's join back. I don't want the Trey Evan anymore. One bunny, an amber lily, and it doesn't even make sense. Raccoon is more rare. Let's see my friend. Oh, now he was offline. So I think he was online, and now he's offline. Everyone is here, especially for me. Oh, wait, that dude's online. Yes, oh no, the flower mutation is on. Nothing is good.